G'day folks, it's Den Lennie here, and today I want to talk about what you say if a client says, hey, we've got another quote, can you match it? Hey folks, you've probably been in a situation where a client's come back to you, a prospective client, and said, look, we've got another quote and it's a bit cheaper, can you match it? The question is, what do you say in those circumstances? And it very much depends on your relationship with the client. What I tend to find is not enough filmmakers and creators have a strong enough relationship with the client up front. So when it comes to discussions around price, everyone drops their trousers and goes, yeah, I'll match the price. You've got to consider, what do you want from the project? If you're someone that offers a very unique service, then why should you discount your prices? If you're competing with someone who's going to deliver a lesser service, why should you compete with them? The danger here is if you're only competing on price, then you have no leverage. Now, what I would say in these circumstances, and I've had this happen to me, is I've said, look, if you want to go and work with a cheaper client, that's fine. We have a price point which is reassuringly expensive. We have X years of experience. We know what we're doing. We guarantee our work. Now, if you're strong enough to guarantee your work, then in that case, you can stand firm on your pricing and use the phrase, look, if you want to go with the cheapest option, that's your prerogative. We're not the cheapest, and this is why. Explain your value. Happy days. Now, be willing to walk away from that job. If you're in a position where you're offering a unique and premier service, be willing to walk away. Otherwise, have more of a conversation with the client up front, have a stronger relationship and say, look, what's important to you here? Is it the cheapest price? If we were to kind of see what you can do to kind of remove some costs from this particular quote, would that win us the gig? And what are you looking for? Ask the question. Not enough filmmakers ask enough questions. Ask the questions outright. Go for it. Let me know how you got on in the comments. And that's it for today. I'll talk to you in another video.